Hey to everybody watching this video. In this video I'll be showing y'all how I did this colorful brick with the Chanel logo and rhinestones. This video is pretty old. I did it back in August 12, 2021, and yes, I should be ashamed of myself for just not posting this video. But I'm not going to be talking throughout this video, so I'm going to just go ahead and explain a little bit of what I'm doing. I applied white gel polish to all the nails and I cured it in my lamp for 60 seconds. I kept the tacky layer on there so the pigment colors could adhere to it pretty good. So I'll be applying the pigment colors. After that, I'll be top coating all the nails with the top coat, and then I'll buff it to make it rough for me to draw the brick design and put the Chanel logo on there. And basically that's it. And for the Chanel design, I did that off camera using my stamping plate and stamping polish. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and make sure y'all check out the videos of me showing y'all my acrylic powders, and watch the video of me telling y'all what makes the acrylic powders different, especially if you're a beginner or if you're advanced. They're perfect for either or if you just go get your nails done and you're watching this video for design ideas, let your nail tech know about those acrylic powders. I can guarantee you they'll love them, you'll love them. They're easy to use, they're very pigmented, they are very different from a lot of acrylics, majority of the acrylics out here. So like I said before, thank y'all for watching. I really hope you enjoy this video. And if y'all have any suggestions, or if y'all want me to go more into depth on some of my nail art, just let me know. You can leave a comment and I'll definitely respond. And I'll take y'all opinions into consideration. Thank you again. Y'all have a good day.